Stop eating these at dinner. 10 foods that are slowly damaging your legs and kidneys. Introduction. Eating habits play a pivotal role in shaping our health. While most of us are mindful of what we eat during the day, dinner, the final meal before sleep, often becomes a time for indulgence or convenience. However, what we choose to eat at dinner can have lasting consequences on our health, especially as we age. Unbeknownst to many, certain foods consumed during dinner can silently harm our kidneys, create discomfort in our legs, and worsen chronic conditions. In this comprehensive guide, we'll dive into 10 specific foods to avoid during dinner, backed by scientific evidence, and explore practical alternatives to help you improve your leg and kidney health. 1. Processed foods, the hidden danger in your dinner. Processed foods are often marketed as convenient, tasty, and affordable. While they may offer ease, they come at a significant health cost. These foods, ranging from ready-to-eat meals, canned soups, frozen dinners, to snack foods, are typically high in sodium, unhealthy fats, preservatives, and artificial additives. The impact on your kidneys. Processed foods often contain high levels of sodium, which can lead to fluid retention and elevated blood pressure. This, in turn, places unnecessary strain on the kidneys, which work overtime to filter excess sodium from the bloodstream. Over time, this can lead to kidney damage, increasing the risk of kidney disease and even kidney failure. The effect on your legs. Excess sodium also leads to swelling in the lower legs and feet, known as edema. This occurs when the body holds onto too much water in an attempt to balance the high sodium levels, resulting in uncomfortable pressure on your legs. Healthy alternatives. Instead of processed foods, opt for whole, fresh ingredients. Prepare home-cooked meals using fresh vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. This not only ensures you're getting better nutrients but also reduces the burden on your kidneys. 2. Red meat, heavy protein at the wrong time. Red meat, particularly beef, lamb, and pork, is a source of high-quality protein. However, consuming red meat late in the evening can have detrimental effects on your kidneys and legs. Red meat and kidney strain. Red meat is rich in saturated fats and purines, substances that can increase the levels of uric acid in the blood. When the kidneys are forced to filter out this excess uric acid, it can lead to kidney strain and increase the risk of developing conditions like gout, inflammation, and leg pain. Eating red meat in the evening can also trigger systemic inflammation, which worsens joint pain and causes stiffness in the legs, especially the calves. As we age, our digestive system and kidneys slow down, making it more difficult to break down heavy proteins like red meat. Better protein choices for dinner. Opt for leaner proteins such as fish, poultry, or plant-based options like legumes, tofu, or quinoa. These alternatives are easier to digest and provide essential nutrients without overburdening your kidneys. 3. Sodium-rich foods, the silent culprit. Sodium is an essential mineral for regulating fluid balance in the body, but too much sodium can lead to severe health problems. Many dinner staples, such as salty snacks, fast food, and condiments, are packed with hidden sodium. Sodium's impact on kidney health. Excessive sodium consumption makes it harder for the kidneys to filter out waste effectively, leading to an increased risk of kidney disease. This, in turn, raises blood pressure, making it even more challenging for the kidneys to function properly. Swelling in your legs. Consuming sodium-rich foods causes the body to retain more water, which leads to swelling in the feet, ankles, and legs. This swelling can be particularly uncomfortable when you're lying down to sleep and can cause restless legs. Choosing low-sodium alternatives. Choose low-sodium alternatives for your meals. When cooking, use herbs and spices to flavor your dishes instead of salt. Check nutrition labels carefully and avoid high-sodium snacks, canned foods, and processed meals. For sugary beverages, the liquid culprit. Sugar-sweetened beverages like soda, sweetened tea, and fruit juices are a common part of many dinner tables. While they might seem harmless, they can wreak havoc on your kidneys and legs over time. Blood sugar spikes and kidney stress. Sugary drinks cause rapid spikes in blood glucose, which can lead to insulin resistance and damage to the kidneys. High blood sugar levels increase the workload on the kidneys, accelerating the decline in kidney function. Swelling and inflammation in your legs. These beverages also contribute to inflammation in the blood vessels, especially the tiny capillaries in the legs and kidneys. Chronic inflammation can exacerbate leg swelling and lead to discomfort. Healthier drink alternatives. Instead of sugary beverages, opt for water, herbal teas, or infused water with lemon or cucumber. These are hydrating and provide antioxidants without the negative effects of sugar. 5 dairy products. The late night load. Dairy products, especially cheese and whole milk, are often consumed as a comforting snack or side dish at dinner. While they are rich in calcium, they can cause problems when eaten too late in the evening. Saturated fat and kidney function. Dairy products are high in saturated fats and sodium. When consumed late at night, these fats can impede circulation and place additional strain on the kidneys as they work to balance fluids and filter out waste. Leg stiffness and discomfort. The saturated fat in dairy can also contribute to reduced circulation in the legs, causing stiffness and discomfort, especially in the morning. Additionally, dairy products can lead to bloating and gas, making your legs feel heavy and uncomfortable. Lighter dairy alternatives. Choose low-fat or non-dairy alternatives like almond milk, soy milk, or goat cheese, which are easier on the kidneys and help maintain better circulation throughout the night. 6 fried foods, heavy and hard to digest. Fried foods, such as fried chicken, French fries, and onion rings, are loaded with unhealthy fats and processed oils. While delicious, they can be incredibly taxing on your digestive system and kidneys. The strain on your kidneys. The fats and oils used in frying are high in trans fats, which are difficult for the body to break down. These fats increase the workload on your kidneys, impairing their ability to function properly and filter out waste. Inflammation and leg pain. Fried foods promote inflammation throughout the body, including the legs. This can lead to swollen, aching legs and make it harder for you to recover from daily physical activity. Healthier cooking methods. Instead of frying, try grilling, baking, or steaming your meals. These cooking methods retain the natural nutrients of the food and are much gentler on your digestive system and kidneys. 7 white bread and refined carbs, the quick energy trap. White bread, pasta, and other refined carbohydrates are common dinner staples. However, these foods, while providing quick energy, are low in fiber and can cause more harm than good when eaten at night. Blood sugar spikes and kidney stress. Refined carbs are quickly digested and converted into glucose, causing a rapid spike in blood sugar levels. This leads to insulin resistance, a key factor in the development of kidney disease and other chronic conditions. Impact on leg health. The blood sugar fluctuations caused by refined carbs can lead to inflammation in the legs and affect circulation, causing swelling, heaviness, and discomfort. Choosing whole grains. Swap refined carbs for whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat bread. These options are higher in fiber and provide sustained energy, preventing spikes in blood sugar and offering better support for kidney health. Eat spicy foods, irritants to the kidneys and legs. Spicy foods can be delicious, but they may have adverse effects, especially if consumed late at night. The compounds that give spicy foods their heat, such as capsaicin, can irritate the digestive system and cause discomfort. Irritation and kidney strain. Spicy foods can exacerbate acid reflux, which puts additional strain on the kidneys as they work to balance the body's fluids and filter out waste products. Chronic irritation from spicy foods can contribute to kidney fatigue and discomfort. Leg and digestive discomfort. The digestive discomfort caused by spicy foods can also lead to bloating, gas, and heaviness in the legs, making it difficult to sleep comfortably. Moderation and substitution. If you enjoy spicy foods, consider reducing the spice level or substituting them with milder herbs like basil, parsley, or thyme, which are less irritating to the digestive system and kidneys. 9. Canned foods, the sodium and preservative pitfall. Canned foods, while convenient, are often packed with sodium, preservatives, and artificial additives. These foods are a major contributor to high sodium levels, which can negatively affect kidney function. Preservatives and kidney health. The preservatives in canned foods, along with high sodium content, place undue stress on the kidneys and lead to fluid retention, swelling, and increased blood pressure. Leg swelling and inflammation. The excess sodium and preservatives in canned foods cause your body to retain water, resulting in swollen legs and feet, which can be uncomfortable and painful. Opting for fresh or frozen alternatives. Whenever possible, opt for fresh or frozen produce instead of canned goods. These options have fewer preservatives and additives, offering a healthier alternative that's less taxing on your kidneys. 10. Alcohol, a relaxation risk. Many people enjoy a glass of wine or a cocktail with dinner, but alcohol, even in moderation, can cause significant harm when consumed late at night. Alcohol and kidney function. Alcohol is a diuretic, meaning it increases urine production, which forces the kidneys to work harder. This can lead to dehydration, kidney strain, and disruptions in fluid balance. Disrupted sleep and leg cramps. Alcohol can interfere with the quality of sleep, leading to restless nights. This disruption, combined with dehydration, can cause leg cramps and discomfort upon waking. Moderation and hydration. If you choose to drink alcohol, do so in moderation and ensure you're hydrating with plenty of water throughout the evening. This helps to counteract alcohol's dehydrating effects and supports kidney health. Conclusion. Making mindful food choices at dinner is crucial for maintaining the health of your kidneys and legs, especially as you age. By avoiding processed foods, red meat, excessive sodium, sugary drinks, and other harmful dinner habits, you can protect your kidney function, improve circulation, and reduce discomfort in your legs. Simple changes like opting for lean proteins, whole grains, and staying hydrated can have a significant impact on your overall health. Remember, your body deserves the best care, and making these small adjustments will help you lead a healthier, more comfortable life. Start today, and your kidneys and legs will thank you tomorrow.